Tunatumia borehole ya shule na hivyo basi tunaona ya kwamba tunaanza kuona changamoto ya maji kwa vile tunatumia pia na community, na ningeomba siku ya leo ya kwamba waizani pamoja na gavana wetu aweze kutusaidia kutuchimbia borehole nyingine tupate maji ya kutosha ili pia tuendelee tuwe na maendeleo kwa shule yetu.
Without devolution, I do not think that education would have come to this ward. In fact, most of the girls who are getting married, early marriages, is prevalent in this community. And then the boys are going to cattle rustling or just are being herders. So, hii shule imekuja imeleta maneno ya masomo. And without education, there cannot be an equalizer. So, I thank devolution for bringing Masol Secondary School to Masol Ward. And in addition to that, I thank the county government of West Pokot for focusing on Masol, because out of all the 20 wards in West Pokot, Masol is the most marginalized ward. And there's an affirmative action program to make sure that at least we bring health, education. If you put health and education, settlement will happen, because communities are moving from one place to another, and without the amenities such as health and education, hakuna kitu yenye itaendelea. So nasema kwa watoto wa Masol, as the BOM chair, I'm very happy. I'm happy because we are able to compete with the schools in Makutano, the schools in Kapenguria, and to record a mean score of 7.5, being the 4th school in Masol, only being 8 years old, is a success by itself.
Fuatio kuma mwena wa Pokot